Hi all, Renee here. I am here today to open a Sew Sampler box for April. Yeah, we're in April. So it's called Town Square, April 2021. I'll push that off to the side, see if there's a coupon. Oh, the brand new Bright Side Quilt Along. Let's see. So this must be for the new yearly. So we'll get to that. So here's our little card that tells us everything that's in the box. So we will start with this. This is Keep It Quilty Label Set, 12 pack. And what are these? Okay, they're labels that have a spool on one side and sew blocks on the other side. I guess some of them have pin cushions. Okay, I am not sure what I would ever use these for. It says personalize your quilts with a quilt label. Just sew it in the binding. It means 12 assorted woven labels with center fold. But the thing is that these don't have my name. They don't have any. Why would I use these? I'm sorry. Why would I use limited edition? Let's see how much they're worth. $4.98. I'm sorry, not really sure what I would use those for. So we'll put those off to the side. Not real impressed with those. I'll be curious to see what other people think of that. Let's go ahead and look at the fabric. The fabric looks really cute. Let's see what we got here. So this is Moda Sunday Stroll by Bonnie and Camille. So we'll do a quick look at each one of the fabrics. That's really pretty. Yep, I like the fabric. And it looks like a pretty good size. Oh, that's cute. The strawberries. And some green polka dots. And I love the gingham. Gingham, they'll get me every time with the gingham. So that's Sunday Stroll. And let's see what it says about, what the card says about that. This is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. This is 6 fat quarters. Value on that is $18.98. So that's good. Then we've got some foundation papers for square and a square. That's nice. I love foundation piecing. So that's nice. What's the cost on that? $7.48. It makes 42 quilt blocks. That seems a little pricey. I'll have to go back and look and see how much foundation papers were on some other things they sent us. They seem like they were larger and cost less, but I may be remembering wrong. But we've got the 3-inch square and a square quilt foundation paper. It makes 42 blocks. So we got that. Then we got a bag, a little project bag. Let's see. It seems pretty sturdy, and it's printed. Let's see how much this is. This is the Keep It Quilty Canvas Project Bag. Holds your quilting essentials in modern design, punctuates and accentuates all the things we adore about quilting. Value on this is $10.98. I think that's a little hefty on the price for a little canvas bag. Maybe I'm not getting a whole lot of happiness out of this. I mean, I did get my money's worth between the fabric and the foundation papers. That's what I paid for it, so that's good. Okay, this is a coupon book. Let me see what the coupons are. 20% off PDF patterns, 30% off these foundation papers. You can buy more of those for 30% off, 15% off Aurafill, and buy one layer cake, get one for 40% off. And it looks like these all expire June 30th. Let's see, and the rest are just some advertisements for some things that are coming soon. So coupon book, pretty good if it's things that you want. Then let's look at the pattern for the fabric. That is really pretty. I really like the pattern. It's called Starflower. Oh, it looks like you get 2 different versions. You can do just a regular lap quilt that's 44 by 63.5, or you can do 3 table runners, 23 by 63.5. That's nice. I like that they give you 2 different options with your pattern. And I won't read to you, but you can look and see if you haven't gotten your box yet and you're curious what you need to complete each one of these projects. If you wanted to get it ordered, there you go. And then let's take a look at the new quilt for the year. If you haven't done, oh, and by the way, the quilt pattern, let's see, the quilt pattern is valued at $9.98, and it's a Sew Sampler exclusive. So I'm not sure if you're going to be able to buy it since it's a Sew Sampler exclusive, but you can check the website. And then the Bright Side Quilt Along. Stunning quilt features Happy Days collection from Moda Fabrics from Sherry McConnell. And Bright Side Quilt Kit and Aurifil Thread Pack will be available for purchase soon. So the first card is this block right here. Let's see if I can get it in focus. There you go. That's the first block in the Quilt Along for this year. And the value on this card is $4.98. And then I was going to look on this. I don't think there's anything on this that I can't show you, although it doesn't really show you too much. So here's what it says on this side. And these are the fabrics that are in the quilt kit. So kind of cute. I think I'll look online to see the fabrics, to see if it's something that I want to buy the kit for. I bought the kits a couple years ago for the one that was the garden theme one, and I love that one. So we'll see. I like this way better than last year's. So I am glad to see a brand new Quilt Along coming. So that is the Sew Sampler for this month. I really like the pattern. I really like the fabric, and I really like the foundation papers. I'm feeling good about the new Quilt Along pattern for the year. I'm liking that. The labels, I just don't think I'll ever really use these. These seem kind of pointless to me, but if someone knows what a good use for these are, please put that down in the comments. And then the bag is cute. I wouldn't spend $10 on this bag, but it is really cute, and I'm sure I'll get use out of it. I've got little bags that I use for all kinds of little projects. So that is the April Sew Sampler Town Square. If you have any comments about if you got this, or what you think of yours, leave that down in the comments for me, and I will see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye.